Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyless lock and unlock. Firstly, as you can see right here, we've got the car key. Let's put it in my pocket. Take a look at the driver door handle. Now the doors are unlocked. If you want to lock them without the key, simply press this button. And now the doors are locked. Press it again to unlock the doors. The car will automatically detect if your keys are in your pocket, bag, or anywhere else nearby you. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.